Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video. I hope you're all feeling great, enjoying the day, another beautiful day ahead. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you this present to see what good we can do and how we can enjoy the day in Ramadan in ourselves and helping others and caring for others in this blessed month of Ramadan. So we are again in front of each other, alhamdulillah, with all the good health and with the enthusiasm and energy still. We are having this during this Ramadan. Even you feel more energetic and enthusiastic when you're fasting and when you're helping others, when you're spreading happiness. So you even feel more good, you feel better, you feel energetic, you feel enthusiastic, and you feel satisfied and happy. And that is very, very important. If you're feeling satisfied and you're feeling happy, that is the most important thing for anybody. Okay, so we are in our numeracy class today, right now, and you see we are doing shapes this week, and we are enjoying learning shapes again and doing a little fun with them. So it's always fun when you're learning. If you're having fun, that is even great. Maybe you enjoy more, and that helps you retain for the long time. Even when you grow up, you are going to remember that whatever you have seen, whatever you have done. So that makes you remind for the long time. So if somebody asks you, or if you have to write it somewhere, so that will be in your mind. You can open up the box and you can take that out from your mind. Okay, so that's why all the teachers are making these lectures with so much of effort, and they're putting their time, the effort, and they're making them so much fun for you, colorful for you, so that you can enjoy all these lessons. And what you have to do in the favor, that you have to click the subscription button, give the videos thumbs up, and then you're going to share it with your friends. Okay, yeah, so that's only a small favor we're asking for you, because we are making this video. These are free for everybody. Anybody can watch them, and like you can even ask your friends to watch them so they can also enjoy and learn, right? Okay, so coming back to the lecture, as I told you that we are in a numeracy lecture today right now, and we are going to have some fun with the shapes. Yes, remember we did a lot learning with shapes, like in the arts class as well. We tried some lines and shapes, and we did make some pictures out of that, and that was really, really fun. So if you can like combine the pictures, you can make different type of pictures. Sorry, if you combine the shapes, you can make different pictures out of that. So that is up to your imagination. Even like you can joining the lines by joining the shapes, by joining different lines. You can make a lot of different things. So today we're going to do a little exercise of that, and then later on you can even use your own imagination, and you can even draw and make different pictures, right? And you'll see that how far your imagination can go, and you can make something different by using only the simple lines which you have learned about, the simple shapes which you have learned about, and you're going to make something very fun. Okay, so we are going to start that, and for that you are going to open up your you are going to take out your maths wise book, and you can take out the book number 3. Yes, all of you take out your book number 3. Very good. Okay, and you will be opening the page number 16 of shapes. Yes, take out the page number 16. Yay. Now you will be able to see a lot of shapes on the page. Yes? Do you see different shapes on the page? Or you see only pictures on the page? Okay, let's see. You're going to share the page. Now have a look at this. Is it all clear to you? Yeah. See? There are some pictures you can see over here, right? Yes. You can see some of the pictures over here. Now just tell me, can you find the shapes in the pictures? Now look at the first picture. What do you see over here? It's a turtle. Yes, it's a turtle. Now, do you see any shapes on the turtle? Do you? Yes. Yes. Okay. Now just look at the turtle carefully and let's see if you can find any shapes on the turtle. Oh, can you see the circles? That's great. Okay. What else do you see? An oval. Okay, that's great. Well, let's count. How many circles do you see on the turtle? Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 circles. Let's see, count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 circles. Yay. Okay. And then there's a big oval over here. And then look at this small tail. What is the shape you should see over here? Yeah, that's a triangle. That's great. So you see, by using the circles and an oval, you can make a turtle. Isn't that great? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now they have given a dotted line picture over here. So for you to make it a practice by using the shapes, how can you make the turtle? Okay. Now pick up your pencils. Yeah, everybody pick up your pencils and start tracing this turtle. Yeah, and count the circles. First of all, make the head of the turtle and then make the shell of the turtle. Yay, right? Yeah, that's great. Make the head, the face of the turtle, and then the shell of the turtle. Yeah. Okay, now that will make the pattern on the turtle. There are all circles. You can even make like different kind of patterns, but you can make it later on. Here they have only given the circles for the pattern on the shape, on the shell of the turtle. Okay, yeah, come on, do it. Yeah, and now make the small feet of the turtle. Yeah, that's great. Right. Now just complete it. You're only going to just trace it. You're not going to color it right now, okay? Only trace it and then show it to us. Yeah, that's great. Have you traced it? Okay. Yay, that's great. See, isn't that easy for you to only join the shapes and make a different picture? Yeah, that's great. Okay. You're going to complete this later on, not now. Okay. Yeah. Now look at the second picture. Now look at the second picture. How many shapes do you see in this picture? Over here. Yeah, there are 3. Now the names of shapes. What is this? Square. Then a circle. And what is the at the top? Yeah, that's a triangle. That's great. Okay. So you're going to make the picture over here with the help of the dotted lines. Yes, come on, do it quickly. Okay, that's great. So we have completed this. That's great. Square and a circle and a triangle on the top. Yeah, that's great. Okay. Now, yeah, that was easy. Okay, so have you completed that? That's great. Okay, now we have completed the turtle by using this circles and an oval, and we have completed this clown popping up from the box. We have made a square, a circle, and a triangle. And now have a look at this. Next picture. What shape do you see over here? Yeah, there are triangles. That's great. You've got triangles, and there's another shape over here, if you can find out. Yeah, there are small circles. That's great. Okay, now let's count the triangles. How many do we see over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 triangles. And then there are 1, 2 and 3 small circles that make the eyes and the nose, right? Okay, now quickly trace this and make a picture. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, see, it's so fun playing with shapes and lines and making a picture. Yeah, that looks like a small cat, right? So complete this. Okay, that's great. Now look at the next picture. This looks like a tiger, a cheetah. Yeah, because it's got stripes on it. Now, how many shapes do you see over here? Which is this shape? Rectangle. That's great. Then square and 2 small triangles for the ears and 1 small triangle for the tail. Yes, not so very long tail, but a small tail, right? Okay. Now draw a rectangle, a circle, and 3 triangles to make a cheetah. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Now quickly do it. Good, 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 good. Very good. Isn't this fun? Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to complete these later on as your homework, and you can even color them. You can even cut them differently as you see them over here. That's up to you. Use your imagination. Don't just follow whatever is being there. There's something which you need to follow, but there's something which you need to use your imagination as well, because it's good to use your imagination, right? Okay, that's great. So we were on page number 16, and now we're going to flip the page on 17. Yeah, that's great. Now flip the page and come up on page number 17. That's great. Now here, oh wow, there is a picture of Miss Robot. Wow, there is a picture of Miss Robot, and they say that you have to count the different shapes in this picture. So they have made a robot, and we are going to find how many shapes are there and what are the numbers. Okay, now they have given here. They've got circles and squares and rectangles and triangles and ovals. Yeah, that's great. They've got many shapes over here. Wow, that's so lovely. Okay. Now they say that we are going to count them all, and we're going to find how many of each shape. Now, first of all, we're going to count the circles. Now, have a look at this picture carefully. Observe the picture and tell us how many circles do you see in Miss Robot? How many circles do you see over here? Yeah, that's got, we have got 2 circles, 1 and 2, right? Okay, are these circles? No, they're not. Okay, so we got only 2 circles. So we are going to write here 2. That's great. So right here 2. Very, 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 very good. Okay, done. That's great. Now we are going to write squares. Yes, squares. Now, how many squares do you see over here? Oh, sorry, over here. Yes, let's find out. Let's find out. Ah, there's 1 over here. Yeah, yeah, there's 1 square. So we're going to write here 1. Okay, that's great. Now, how many rectangles do we have? How many rectangles can you see? Yeah, quickly. Yay. Okay, that's great. There are 1 and 2. That is great. There are 2 rectangles. That is great. So we're going to write here. That's great. We're going to write here 2. Lovely. Okay. Now then we have got triangles. Now let's count the triangles. Let's see how many do we see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and oh, there's a Miss Robot has a tail. Okay, yeah, 5. Now, why Miss Robot has a tail? Is she a cat? Oh, doesn't look like a cat. Well, maybe that's okay. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 rectangles. So we are, 5 triangles. So we are going to write here 5. Yes, okay. And then what is left? Ovals. So oval is the only shape which is left. Yes, we have got 2 ovals. That's great. We have got 2 ovals. So how many did we count? We have counted 2 circles and then 1 square, and there are like 2 rectangles, and there are 5 triangles and 2 ovals. Wow, see, you can even make your own robot by using different shapes, not even exactly the same. You can even use a rectangle for the tummy. You can use something else for like ears and neck. That's up to you. What do you use? And make your own robot. Yeah, you should make your own robot. Oh, yeah, that's great. Okay. So then they say that color Miss Robot with the colors shown below. They've given you a couple of colors like black and pink and gray, and there are like 2 orange. These 2 are orange. So you should do the coloring because they have asked us to do the same color. So you're going to use the same color, like black for the circle, for the eyes, then pink for the neck square, and then gray for the ovals, the feet, and then this red, this is a kind of a rust color, like orange color. So orange is for like rectangles over here, and the triangles over here, here, and here. Okay, that's great. So you're going to do the coloring later on and complete these pictures and color them as your homework. Okay, that is super great. So I hope you have enjoyed playing with the shapes and making the pictures. Now what you have to do is you are going to observe and make your own pictures by using the shapes. Okay, what you can do is you can just make the shapes, cut them out, and then put them randomly and make a shape. And then again, don't stick them. You just play with them, and whenever you feel like this is the perfect picture, you can paste and then make that picture. Or maybe you can color that picture, or maybe you can make the shapes with the pencil and then color it. So first just make the shapes, cut them out, and then try to fix them differently, like cut 4 or 5 triangles, cut a couple of circles, a couple of rectangles, a couple of ovals, and then try to fix them differently and try to make different pictures using your imagination, right? Yeah, that's great. So this was our numeracy class right now, and we did fun with shapes, and I hope you've enjoyed that. I have enjoyed it a lot, and I'm going to see you soon in the next class. Till then, don't forget to subscribe the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, right? Okay, that's great. So I'm going to say you goodbye. So I'll see you soon, inshallah. Till then, please stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. Okay, so Allah Hafiz and bye-bye.